Hello guys, welcome back with another video. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video, I will share with you a unique AI-based project, and from this project you can enhance your creativity and also get unique content, and your time will be consumed and you can get each and everything in instant time. So without wasting our time, we can start our videos. So if you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe it and press bell icon for latest video and notifications. So as you can see, the project was open. The project was basically based on AI generated content, means it gives you AI images, videos, and give you much creativity. You can also make cinematic videos and motion control impacts. You can see it give you everything in a single platform, and it's a very unique thing for you, and you can get a big profit and also generate money from these content. So it's a very unique thing for you, and must read it and then be the member of this project and make a unique content and upload on social media accounts and get viral and also earn money from this content. So as you can see, what will you do? Create today. As you can see, many categories were available. You can see on screen, you can make HD videos, contents, and multiple AI-generated contents, enhance your videos qualities, and multiple opportunity the project will gives you. So must join it and be the member of this project and get benefit from this project. As you can see, mixed media content was also available. You can get content which you want. Simply come on website and easily generate which thing you want. So it's a very easy access for you to generate a content and also get a new upgrading videos content, and the picture quality was showing on screen. As you can see, it's a top quality and an easy method to get each and everything and easy access. So must join it, and the project also gives you multiple opportunities, like you can create images, videos, edits, characters, and the AI cinematic video, then multiple things. So now we will discuss about Kling 3.0. It's a unique thing the project will launch, and it helps to more enhance your videos in cinematic shorts and multiple things and enhance your creativity. As you can see, the era of the AI director, as you can see, it was coming soon, and resolutions and which thing you want, simply give them a direction and it's gonna generate a video or a content for you in 4K HD quality. And you can see the detail about this scaling 2.0 model, unifying world-class 4K visuals and multiple things the projects will give you. So must join it and be the member of this project to get latest updates and new this simply. You can see multi-short narratives option was available, enhanced audio generation, and as you can see, the resolution was also very good and pixels was totally unbelievable. So must join it, and it's also consume your time. Your work will be done in a short time. So it's a unique platform that gives you multiple opportunities in a single platform, and the link or in detail of this project was available in the description of video. As you can see, native 4K cinematic workflow was also available, and directional physics and multiple things the projects give you, and you can easily generate these content with a single command. So must join it and be the member of this project. As you can see, the next Fortuna Frontier Kling 3.0 was on screen. As you can see, long format video, cinematic packing, and multiple things the projects give you. And you can also generate a cinematic clips about your work and which thing you want, and it will enhance your creativity and also gives you a chance to make money. You can give services to people and also add money from this content. So it's a very unique thing for you. You can see community over 50 million users was also giving the review about this platform. So must read it and then be the member of this project. It's a very unique thing for you, and you can enhance your skills and also get unique content in a HD quality, so must join it and be the member of this project. Hope you will understand, and your plan was also showing on screen. Monthly subscription, annual subscription gives you 70% off. You can see basic, pro, unlimited, and corrected plan was available, and services there will gives you also showing on screen. So must participate and be the member of this project to generate a unique and catching content. So it's a very good thing for you. So these are the main plan, and you can simply select the plan, and then you can be the member of this project and get benefit from these events and these methods. So these are the detail of this Kling 3.0 details. So hope you will be understand how it's work and how it's give you a benefit and consume your time, and you can get a great content in a short time. So must join it, be the member of this project. Also read the detail, and link and detail of this project was available in the description. So these are the main detail. Hope you will understand. So today video's main on topic is to share with you the AI content creator website and this Kling 3.0 project details. So must join it, be the member of this project, and get more benefits and enhance your content creation. So if you like this video, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos. Hope we will be